Good morning students. I hope all are good at home. So let us start exercise 3.4. The exercise is about chance and probability. Chance means if you toss a coin, the chance of that it can come head or it can come tail. So chance and probability is just like this. Means the total events can happen. We will count all of these. Okay, this is the probability. So first question, tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible can happen but not certain. Conditions are given and they ask what their answer will be. First is you are older today than yesterday. This is true because everyone is today older than yesterday. So the answer is certain to happen, means it's certain. Next is a tossed coin will land hands up. It can land heads, it can land tail also. So both are the probability. So it is not certain that only head will comes up. So it can happen but not certain. Next is third, a die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. A dice has only 6 number, 1 to 6 number, so 8 is not there, so it will be impossible to come. Next is fourth, the next traffic light seen will be green. There are three. It can be green or it can be red, it can be yellow. So it can also be green. So there are chances that it can be green, but it is not sure. So can happen but not certain. Next, tomorrow will be a cloudy day. It can be possible or it cannot be possible. So it is can happen but not certain. Okay. The event in which we have the surety, they will be certain to happen. In which we are confused, it can be or it cannot be, then the answer will be can happen but not certain. And in which we are sure that it cannot happen, so it is impossible. Next is second, there are 6 marbles in a box with number from 1 to 6, mark on each of them. First is what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? So when we toss a dice, the total outcome can be 1 can come, 2 can come, 3 can, 4, 5, 6 number are there, any number can come. So total probability in this case is 6. But they ask about the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. 2 is on one side only, so the probability of coming 2 is 1. So total probability will be 1 by 6. The chance of the coming of the event we are saying and the total probability. Next is what is probability of drawing a marble with number 5? Same, 5 is on one side of the dice, so 1 by 6. Total probability is 1 by 6. Third is a coin is flipped to decide which team starts the game. What is the probability that your team will start? When a coin is tossed, the total probability is 2, means 1 head can come or 1 tail can come. Head plus tail, they becomes 2, so total probability is 2. And the chance of coming that our team will start, means the side which we have chosen will be come, it is the chance of 1. Either we choose head or either we choose tail. So what will be the answer? Total is head or tail and our chance will be 1. So 1 by 2. So this is the end of exercise. Thank you students.